Today, we're taking a look at the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. This is actually my second time testing one of Mova's robot vacuums. The brand's still relatively new, but we've had some solid experiences so far, especially with the P50 and their wet dry vacs. So I'm really curious to see how the P10 stacks up against the 100 plus robot vacuums we've tested here on the channel. Big thanks to Mova for sending this over. Just to be clear, this video isn't sponsored, and as always, you'll get our honest, unfiltered thoughts. If you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link down in the description. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. In the box, you'll find the robot itself, a multi-purpose cleaning station, power cord, mop pads, cleaning solution, a cleaning brush, and the usual product literature. Setup is quick and easy. Just plug in the dock, attach the magnetic mop pads, fill the clean water tank, add the cleaning solution, and let it charge. Once that's done, connect it to the Mova Home app and you're ready to start cleaning. Right out of the gate, the P10 Pro Ultra impressed us with its mopping performance. Easily one of the best selling points. Our LVP floors looked great, and the system not only mops, but washes, cleans, and dries itself after use with hot water and hot air. In our high traffic pet filled home, it handled hair crumbs and fine dust with no trouble at all. For context, Mova is a sister brand to Dreamy, and the P10 feels very similar to Dreamy's L series lineup. That said, it doesn't come with a conical roller brush or Dreamy's signature tri-cut brush, features that are especially helpful in homes with lots of pet hair. That's not a huge surprise at this price point, but it's worth noting. The good news, that brush is available for purchase separately if it's a must-have for you. It's a trade-off, likely a strategic one, to keep the P10 at a more accessible price while still offering a premium vacuuming and mopping experience. Setup was simple, mapping was quick, and navigation has been smooth from the start. When it comes to raw power, the P10 doesn't hold back. It delivers a whopping 13,000 pascals of suction, nearly double the category average. That kind of power does come at a cost. At 77 decibels on max, it's louder than most robot vacuums, but honestly, it's a reasonable trade-off. Any vacuum on max suction will be loud, and this level of performance more than justifies the noise. In our suction test, it reached 516 FPM on carpet, far exceeding the average of 420 FPM, and even edging out the Mova P50 by about 10 FPM. In terms of airflow, it peaked at 0.5 kPa during use, again above average, and slightly higher than its older sibling, the P50. We suspect that might be due to the P50's tri-cut brush versus the all-rubber roller on the P10, but that's just speculation. So how does all that power translate to real-world cleaning? In short, it's solid but not standout. The P10 scored an 85 out of 100 in our practical cleaning tests. That's just shy of the 87 average, but it's important to put that into context. The P10 is priced about $200 below the average robot vacuum in its class. So while its performance is slightly under the benchmark, its price to performance ratio is actually excellent. You're getting standard results without paying a premium, which, in our view, makes it a strong value. It even includes a flagship level feature, a corner-reaching extendable side brush, which is rare at this price point. Now on the mopping side, performance is equally impressive. While the mop lift height is right around average, which is expected given the 4-inch tall body, it still avoids dragging wet pads over your rugs or carpets. The mop itself has an extendable pad that reaches into corners and around table legs more effectively. At the base station, you get hot water mop washing, which does a better job breaking down grime, plus hot air drying to help prevent musty odors. One feature we appreciated was the dedicated cleaning solution tank, which allows for automatic dispensing, a thoughtful quality of life upgrade. The station also cleans itself, keeping manual maintenance to a minimum. Overall, the P10 Pro Ultra offers a smart, well-rounded system that balances performance, convenience, and value exceptionally well. The Mova Home app, available on both iOS and Android devices, puts full control of your robot vacuum at your fingertips. You can fine-tune vacuuming and mopping settings, create custom cleaning routines, and target specific rooms or zones. It supports multi-floor mapping, no-go zones, and works with voice assistants from Amazon and Google. There's even a built-in voice assistant for hands-free control. While the app does have a slight learning curve because of how much it offers, it's easily one of the most feature-rich and thoughtfully designed platforms I've tested. After using just about every major robot vacuum app out there, this one's my personal favorite. Since its release, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra has received largely positive feedback, averaging 4.5 stars. Users frequently praise its strong suction, fast mapping, and easy setup, with many calling it a great value for the price. Several also note how quietly it operates, especially when suction levels are lowered, which lines up with our own experience. On the downside, some users have pointed out that it struggles with dried stains during mopping and mentioned the side brush disengaging on carpets. That last point, however, is actually by design to prevent tangling and unnecessary wear. Despite its robust feature set, there's still room for improvement, as with every model we test. For the P10 Pro Ultra, one of the biggest areas to address is the absence of a conical-shaped roller brush, which has become the industry standard for reducing hair tangles. Additionally, it lacks auto mop pad removal, a feature we really like on the Mova P50 and other vacuums. And it doesn't offer the option to activate the side brush on carpets, which some users may miss. In conclusion, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra offers a compelling blend of powerful suction, smart mopping, and thoughtful features at a price point that delivers strong value. While it may miss a few premium touches like a conical brush or auto mop pad removal, its performance and convenience make it a standout option for those seeking reliable cleaning without breaking the bank. Whether you're navigating pet hair, high traffic, or tricky corners, the P10 Pro Ultra holds its own and comes backed by a feature-rich app and positive user feedback. For anyone looking to get excellent cleaning power and smart functionality in one affordable package, the P10 Pro Ultra is definitely worth considering.